Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's Juneteenth series 2026. Y'all know how much I love me some tea, whether it's hot or iced. And today I've got an amazing tea recipe that will be perfect not only for your Juneteenth celebration, but anytime during the summer months. We're going to make hibiscus iced tea. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And this tea is so good for you. You can also serve this sweet or unsweet. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more Juneteenth recipes, check out my Juneteenth recipes playlist and my previous video, Semi-Homemade Red Velvet Cake. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your pitcher, your water, and your hibiscus flowers, sugar, because we're about to make some hibiscus iced tea magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Before we begin, I just want to share with y'all my new teapot. I got it for Christmas. Isn't that a beautiful blue? So into our teapot, we're going to add in 4 cups of water. Now I'm going to close it up and bring it to a boil on the stove when the whistles is ready. In the meantime, I'm going to grab my hibiscus leaves. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of hibiscus leaves. And this is what it looks like, nice and floral. In Mexican cuisine, is known as jamaica. And our hot water is nice and boiled, so I'm going to pour it into the hibiscus leaves. We are going to let it steep for about 15 minutes. Alright, my friends, our hibiscus leaves is nice and steep, so now we're going to strain it. And I'm straining mine into my pitcher. And if you like your tea a little bit stronger, you could steep it a little bit more. Reminds me of cranberry juice. Alrighty, into our tea, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, which is half of a large lemon. And like I said in the beginning, you can serve your tea sweet or unsweet. I like mine sweet, so I'm going to add in about 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. And the tea is still warm, so I'm going to stir it until the sugar dissolves. You can also use honey, agave, or simple syrup. Alrighty, and last but not least, to finish it off, we're going to add in 4 cups of cold water. And stir. And just like that, my friends, we have hibiscus tea. How simple and easy was that? So now it is ready to serve. So I'm about to pour it into my mason jars. I filled up my mason jars with ice and garnished with the rest of my hibiscus leaves. And 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Hibiscus iced tea. Don't that look good? And look at that beautiful ruby red color. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Crisp, refreshing, has a nice sweet and tart balance. Nothing like a glass of iced tea on a hot summer day. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Hibiscus iced tea licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Juneteenth.